at least if I can't boost my mood, I can make myself so sleepy that I just go to sleep and wake up. And the sun helps and stuff like that, and being alone, being by myself, isolating and stuff. So we got it through. Lord Jesus. The saw is right here. I was able to use the hammer, and I used this part of the hammer, and I just kept doing that. I'll turn the table around so you can see. Let me, hold up. 1, 2, 3. See, I used the hammer and beat it out. Got some anger out today. And don't worry, the saw is in here. It's not going nowhere. So now I'm just going to take this saw. I put my hood on, and I'm putting this over my face just in case. Most of the sawdust is falling down, but just in case, bitch. Doing ghetto ass thing. So I'm going to tie it up around here. Got my glasses on. This is full ghetto, honey. Full ghetto. Hope you guys can see that. But yeah, we got that. Making sure I'm not cutting through nothing on that side. And I'm just going to stab at it. Now we're just going to straighten it up here. Move it over, bend and lift. Okay. And stop resting up against this table. Now I got to do the saw a little, instead of going at an angle, I have to do it straight. But some of this is going to be cut off anyway, so if I go over, it's okay. I think we're through. Yep, we're through. We made it, guys. We made it. Oh my Jesus. Woo! Who needs a peen when you have a pruning saw? Oh my God. Yep, we're through. Look. We cut through it. So I gotta come over about another 10 to 12 centimeters on each side. But once I push this through, you see it comes through. And I might be able to use, I just cut off the edges, and I might be able to, I'm gonna go get like a Japanese saw from the hardware store so I can make the fine cut and finish it off and make it really neat. But I'll probably get rid of this piece because that's weight I want to get rid of. But I cut through. Now I just have to cut the dowels. There are some dowels down here, you know, just holding the wood together. So I might have to cut those. But my projects for today are finished. Thank you guys for sticking it through with me. Here's the sawdust here on the ground. It's not that much, but I'm gonna sweep it up tomorrow. Like I said, I'm the only one here. So the guests left about 6 or 7 hours ago. So I started about 2 hours after they left. So I've been a good 4 or 5 hours. I'm good for today.